Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick but important tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth in Gmail, or more accurately, your Google account, step by step. Whether you entered the wrong birthday by mistake, want to fix age restrictions, or simply want your account details to be accurate, this guide will walk you through everything clearly. So stay tuned till the end to avoid missing any important steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're already signed into the Google account you want to update. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or your initial. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, click Manage Your Google Account. This will open your Google account dashboard in a new page. On the left sidebar, click on Personal Info. This is where all your personal information, like your name, birthday, gender, and contact info is stored. Now scroll down to the section called Basic Info. Under this section, you'll see your birthday. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll be able to edit your date of birth. You can change the day, month, and year using the drop-down menus. Make sure the date you enter is correct and something you're comfortable using permanently, because Google sometimes asks for this info for account recovery and verification purposes. Once you've entered your correct birthday, scroll down and click Save. This step is really important. If you don't hit save, your changes won't be applied. If Google asks for verification, don't worry. It's normal. Just follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering your password again or confirming via phone or email. This is just a security check to make sure you're really the account owner. And that's it. You've successfully updated your date of birth in Gmail through your Google account. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more useful Gmail and Google tutorials, and drop a comment if you want help with any other Google account settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.